How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Kenny and I have a 1996 Chevy Express van, conversion van, that I converted into my camper van, and right now I am getting ready to go somewhere out in the woods and try to find a place to sleep tonight. That's a big steak. This is awesome. Here are I think those are locusts. All the birds, everything. I kind of moved over a little bit from where I was because, let me show you, because there was a fire ring over here and extra firewood sitting right here. So it's about that time to get a fire started. This is a top sirloin steak. I don't eat steak very much, all right? I like to eat more chicken and eggs than I do red meat. And so I like to treat myself every once in a while to a steak, but it's not very often. So you might as well consider this a special occasion. But I'm really hungry, and this steak just looks really good. Oh, it smells so good. tell you what, this steak smells really good. And then I got this pasta salad. I took a bite already. It's excellent. Excellent. This is excellent. It's like 9 something at night. I'm gonna be quiet, just listen. It is so hot and muggy outside. Like, it's so humid here in Arkansas. Well, at least where I live, it's humid, still humid. I'm gonna show y'all how I'll make out the bed now that I have my pillows this time, but I forgot my coffee cup. Anyway, I got another cup, but I'm gonna show y'all how I set up my bed to sleep at night, because I have these slide outs. One of them's already out, okay, so I'm gonna show you. So I have these pins that I made out of rivets. I just kind of cut the top of them, and I have these 2 slides. This one over here, and then I have one right here, and it slides out like so. And then I take and I put these, I drilled some holes, and I just kind of put these pins in here through the holes that make it stay in place. Each one of them's got a leg, and I made a spot for them to go in at the bottom, just like that, and then they stay in place. And then I made this to go right here, like so, and then it extends my bed out to where I can sleep this way, because there's not a lot of room that way, and it works very well. Anyway, but I'm about to crawl into bed and get some shut-eye, and I will see y'all in the morning. Good night, everyone. I'll see y'all in the morning. Good morning, everybody. I slept great. I always do when I'm out in the woods, and like, you didn't hear any road noise or people chatting or anything like that. I'm about to cook some breakfast. I forgot my coffee cup. Imagine that. And so I'm gonna have to use like this plastic cup that I have in here for some coffee. I'm gonna get some coffee made, and I'm just gonna come out here. I'm gonna chill for a minute, drink up some coffee, and then I'm gonna make some eggs. Blue cup is better than no cup. It does look like some clouds are trying to move in. I think it's supposed to rain today or tonight or something like that. We can use all the rain that we can get. I like the rain anyway. I really like the rain. I like to listen to rain sounds at night when I go to sleep. I'll put them on YouTube and just lay there and just listen to it. I really need an AC in that van. I let the van run for a little while last night with the van's AC on, and it cooled it off back there. But of course, I can't let the van run all night, you know. I turned around and laid my head down at the other end, and where I was underneath the fan. So I'm not gonna eat any bread or any carbs with this. I'm gonna eat 5 eggs. Been trying to slim my stomach down just a little bit, you know what I mean? You know, gotta watch that stuff as you start to get a little older because it tends to get away from you a little faster. Another thing I do is to help my mood and my state of mind. Reggae, I listen to a lot of reggae music and it really helps, man. It just like, to me it's soothing. It gives off a good vibe, like a happy vibe. And so I listen to a lot of reggae. I love reggae. Okay guys, so I'm about to leave this spot and then try to figure out something else to do. And I need to put my stuff away in the back and then we're gonna get out of here. It's been a nice spot to sleep for the night. I would really like to just get in the water somewhere. I think it would feel so good. So I'm gonna sit here and try to figure out where I might be able to go and maybe just get in the water for a minute. Okay, so I'm gonna head down to Chamber Springs. You can access Illinois River there. I don't know if there's going to be any swimming spots to swim or anything, but there's supposedly a hiking trail there or something like that. So if you just drive over there and check it out. All right, so I'm here. They have this old bridge here. Old bridge. I'm gonna go walk over here and check it out. Oh, look at all the graffiti. This place is pretty cool. Trying to figure out how they got over there. So I made it over here. Had to make it down that without breaking my neck. I have trouble getting in cold water, and I bet this is going to be cold because it's a river. So, and I'm paranoid about swimming and stuff like this, but out of my comfort zone, right? Out of my comfort zone. So we're going to I'm just gonna put the camera up here. Okay, here we go. That feels freaking awesome. That feels freaking awesome. I think I might do it again. So I'm not gonna go out there too far, but I'm right to where I can get down in the water. And so this is progress because I don't normally swim and stuff like this. So pushing myself out of my comfort zone just a little bit. That water hit the spot, kind of got the sweat off of me, you know. It's very refreshing, very refreshing. And I'll probably get back in one more time before I take off. Okay guys, that was an awesome little swim. I had a great time. Sit out there and I talked to I guess my neighbors for a minute, and they offered me a beer for invading my space. I'm like, no, it's cool, you know. I'm like, I don't drink, it's okay, but thank you though. And so anyway, so this has been a great trip. We're gonna be doing it a lot, you know what I mean? I'm gonna be doing this a lot. So I hope y'all enjoy these videos, and I hope y'all keep coming back, and because I love having you, and I really appreciate all the support that y'all give me. I appreciate the people that leave comments and or ask questions or leave advice or just whatever. I appreciate all your comments, and don't forget to maybe subscribe if you're new here, and hit that like button, and maybe the subscribe button. So until next time, y'all have a good one. Peace out.